tutorial, I'm going to create number 14 over here. So I'll start by making my new part studio. Renaming. I already have 14, so I'm just going to call this 14A. And this time I decided to make a plane in the middle and use the Loft Cut. So what I'm going to do is start my sketch on the front plane, go normal to. I want to keep the origin on, but I don't want to see these other planes. And I'm using my corner rectangle. Now this is 6 by 4, so I'm drawing my front profile. So it's 6, enter, 4, enter. And as a reminder, if you mess up your dimensions, I'm just going to bring this back. Let's say I left click somewhere else and start drawing. Well, I'm just going to press escape, highlight this, delete it, and now use my dimension tool. Make this one 6. So I left click 4. I'm going to turn on my show constraints just so you can see these are all perpendicular, horizontal, so on. Now I extrude at my depth, which is a depth of 4. Go to orbit. I need to use a loft. I'm going to use a loft cut. So my front face is going to have this rectangle that's 3 by 2, and then the back will have a 1 by 1 square. So I'll start my sketch here. Use the corner rectangle. Snap coincident to my corner. If you're unsure about the corner, press Shift 7 to bring up your isometric, and then you could also go normal too. So I snap here, drop this in place, and I start the type. So 2 enter, 3 enter. Exit your sketch. Now I need a 1 by 1 on the back. So I rotate, start my sketch here. Corner rectangle. It needs to be in line with the last one. So 1 enter, check. And now I want a loft cut. So I select loft, and this time when I loft, I'm choosing remove. Last time we did add, or new, because we were creating a new profile. If we were adding to something, we would choose add. I'm choosing remove, selecting my profile, profile 1, profile 2, check. Well, now I want to get this to the opposite side, and my planes aren't located in the middle. I could draw it again, but I want to mirror this. So I need to create a plane that's in the middle. If I drew from the beginning with the center rectangle, my plane would be centered. I did this on purpose to show how to create a mid-plane. So I choose plane. And I want to switch from offset this time to a mid-plane. Now my entities need to be the left and the right hand face. And when I select these two, the plane will form directly in the center. Now I want to take this information and mirror it to the opposite side. My mirror tool is somewhere up over here. If it's on a larger screen, you'd probably see it. But the tool looks like this. So we choose mirror. We're not doing a part mirror. That'd be taking this whole part right here, the whole thing, and mirroring it. We want to just mirror a feature. So I choose feature mirror. My feature to mirror is my loft 1. So I select that. Now this is asking me to choose a mirror plane. So I click in the mirror plane box, and I select the plane I want to mirror over. Well, that's plane 1. So I click there, press check, and that will take this information, bring it over.